Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good to be here.
Good to see you. Let's pull the question up.
All right.
Here we go, Gary. Will my UIM, or uninsured motorist insurance, cover my vehicle repairs after a wreck with an uninsured driver? What do they have to pay?
Okay, good question, because let's just say some damage happens in a parking lot. You don't know who the driver was that hit your car, right? So how do you get it fixed? Well, if you got collision, you can use that, and that's probably primary. And so, but people will go, well, I don't know who the guy is, and I bought UM, so maybe I can use the UM if you don't have collision. And you might be able to. So that would be a John Doe case we've talked about before.
Yeah.
So so you could use it. It'll be subject to a deductible. That's the difference.
Okay.
So sometimes if there is liability, people will go, well, maybe I just use my UM if it's going to take a while. And I go, maybe not. If you have a big deductible, maybe you want to let the liability carrier go ahead and take care of it.
Okay.
But so, you know, it's something to buy, though. Don't neglect it. You're going to be given that option when you renew your insurance.
Right.
You have to opt out of it. If you don't opt out of it, you get it.
You'll get it. Okay.
But you should get it, because guess who causes the wrecks?
Mostly.
People that don't have insurance. You
Yeah.
know, that's part of the reason they don't have insurance, because
Yeah.
it costs so much. So, you know, and in our region, sadly, and I did a blog on this on our blog deal, and anyway, go to GaryBruceLaw.com. But we talk about the percentages. They're huge.
Are they?
Huge.
Wow.
So lots and lots of people are running around without insurance, thinking it won't matter, or they won't get caught, or just couldn't make it happen. You know, and this summer's been tough for people. So buy the UM if you can buy it, because you may need it, and if you don't, it's really not very expensive, and you'll be glad you did.
Glad you did. Yeah.
Yeah.
So are the laws the same in all states, the UM laws?
Yeah, and the answer to that's no. So every state deals with uninsured motorist coverage differently. Georgia has you have to opt out policy. Alabama is a little more liberal, actually, with its application of UM benefits, particularly in John Doe cases. In Georgia, you've got to prove either collision with somebody, or you have to have a witness to the wreck. In Alabama, you don't have to have all that. You just have preponderance of the evidence kind of standard. So, and Alabama stacks differently. There's lots of nuances to it. The states are different, and particularly with regard to UM. So don't make assumptions. If you have to use your UM, talk to a lawyer, and maybe you'll learn something about your options.
There you go. Thank you, Gary. Thank you very
Thanks.
much. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.